Hey guys, my name is Masud. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what actually makes a good property investment. So to answer that question, I think that what makes a good investment is really relative to the individual investor. I think everyone has personal preferences depending on what stage of their investing career they're at. So to break that down a little bit more, a few things I'd consider when I think about a good investment is how can I add value to this site? Can I add value by refurbishing the house, by buying it below market value, by adding a planning to the site? What that means is basically if I was to buy a piece of land and it has no planning, you need to get planning approval from the local planning authority or council, wherever that piece of land is located, to actually build on it. And if I was to actually buy a piece of land which has no planning and then get planning for that site to build, let's say 10 flats, that land is gonna grow in value, hugely by 5-10 times, just because it has planning approval by the council to build on that site. So you can actually sell that on for a profit to like a builder or a developer, if you were to actually buy the land on its own with no planning and get planning. Other things I'd consider is really is there going to be, to be honest, capital growth. I was thinking of that, but you can't really bank on that as an investment. You can't really predict it either. But what you can do to help reassure you that there might be some capital uplift in the future is just look at if there's a demand to live in that particular location where you're investing in. Is it central to town? Do people want to actually grow up there? Is there a lot of business? What's the local economy like? Is there schools that people can go to, good schools, and generally, what's going on in the area basically? Are there new developments going on? That's going to tell you a lot about the potential. I think what makes a good investment, again, is relative to the person. So if you are thinking about this question, maybe backtrack a little bit and think about your goals and your objectives and maybe work towards that. I'll give you an example. My personal goal at this current stage in my career is to free up my time so I can do property full time, which is what I'd like to do. That's my ambition. And for me to be able to do that, I'd probably need enough cash flow from my properties to be able to leave a day job and continue doing this full time. That might not be the case for someone who's been in the game for like say 10 years or something. They might be looking at £1 million developments. So everyone is at different stages of their career, and I think that just think about what you need to do to get to your goal, and then maybe look at what's the correct investment or property that would fit that goal for you. Hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and it was clear. If you had any thoughts, feel free to share down below. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Take care.